Greetings, I'm Mr. K.
And I'm Mrs. K.
We're a couple hailing from the city of New York that loves to travel and explore.
We would like to invite you to join us as we experience new and exciting things in life.
Yeah! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're heading to the New York Botanical Garden up in Bronx, New York for a very special exhibit.
If you are new here, be sure to subscribe. We do videos on experiences, travel, and food, and you can expect our videos every Thursday.
We'll see you there.
Here's the parking, and we enter right here. You have to get your ticket ready before you go in. We'll see you in there.
Yayoi Kusama is a Japanese artist who does mostly sculptures, but also does paintings and sketches. She's considered, I think, contemporary art, and some of her notable artwork would be like the Infinity Room, the Narcissus Garden, and a bunch of pumpkins with polka dots. So today we're at the New York Botanic Garden in Bronx, New York, to see her installation called Cosmic Garden. It's available through October 31st. Purchasing tickets prior is required. Oh, this is really cool. So we just got into this art installation, and it's a interactive art installation. So we're provided a sticker, and we just stick it anywhere. As you can see, this room is just filled with all these stickers. So I'm gonna take my sticker and put it right here.
I'm gonna put it right here. Don't block. Ta-da!
I've always wondered what a 16-foot pumpkin looked like.
is one of the few indoor galleries here at the Botanic Garden. We bought our time tickets prior to arrival, which is required. There were two types of tickets, one only for the garden and one for both garden and gallery.
And if you want access to the exhibitions, such as the interactive installation with the sticker, the indoor garden, pumpkins that light up, and basically anything indoors, the garden and gallery pass is required. And we definitely think it's worth it for the garden and gallery pass. Also, there is a useful app that shows you where you can find certain art and exhibits and just get more information about the art. So we'll link the Botanical Garden website in the description box below. The exhibit is running now through October 31st, 2021. Well, that brings us to the end of our video here at the Yayoi Kusama exhibit. I hope you guys enjoyed. We certainly did.
The piece behind us is our favorite of the day. This piece is called Ascensions of Polka Dots on the Tree. Really makes us feel how small we are in the universe. So we decided to end our day here.
Yep. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and share with your friends. And we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Peace.